Good afternoon. It's Farmer Black with another video. Today's video is going to be on worm tea. I had a customer, or should I just go ahead and say my son-in-law, he was interested in worm tea and how I come about formulating mine. So I just finished this. Spouts, get them anywhere. Amazon, I got that for $4.99 for a set of 4. Just went to our local Goodwill, Yokefellow Ministries, and bought a couple of totes. You can see just $4. I just put a little attachment for the top. All you need is a drill. Put your little hose in your top for aeration. At the bottom, hose in. This is what you'll call a two-tier type worm bin. I'll pull this one out. There's the other one. There's your first tier, and the one I just set down is your second tier. So what I'll do is, say on my first layer, when I get it started, well, let me do the next layer as well. Now this is what's going to collect your tea, and your spout is when it gets full to where you want to and you need some tea, and you just basically pull your lever down or up to get out your tea. So this is it. So you just put your tier in to collect your tea. Now this is my first layer. I have them sitting out. You see a couple little higamites done started in there. But what I'll do is I'll say what I have is my peat moss. My mixture is simple. Got a bucket already. This is a coil block. I'm also mixing shredded newspaper, my peat moss. Get my mixture started to get it where it's the right mixture of water. You don't want it too wet. It'll drown your worms. So you want it just moist enough for your worms. So my newspaper absorb up. I know you look at that and like, oh, that's a lot of water. But I'll drain some of that, or the newspaper will saturate that, a lot of that that moisture. And then I'll add in my chicken manure, or my dried chicken manure, as I said again, as I've seen in my other videos, which I'd like for you to at least subscribe and like my videos. But I have also other videos out describing how I make actually my mixture that I put in with this. Then let it sit. Check your pH and your moisture level. After it sits a couple of days, add your worms. As you add your worms, you can start adding in your table scraps. And as this goes, as they eat everything out in this layer, this top layer, I'll do the same. It'll be a repeat. I'll fill that tier up as well. Take the lid off. Take this lid off, slide this down inside, and it'll start working. And as you water, as you go along, as you water or add in moisture for your worms, the liquid from your worms, which comes in with all of the compost as it saturates down, and that makes a great fertilizer. So again, I thank you for watching my videos. Continue to keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me, Farmer Black. Thank you so much for watching. Signing out. Peace be.